The daughter of an El Paso man is seeking justice after her father was killed in a tragic crash. Amber Wood's father collided with a car while driving his motorcycle.
That happened in May, and El Paso police say the driver, Amber Valdez, failed to yield the right of way and was driving the wrong way. She was cited but not arrested, and the case was turned over to the district attorney's office.
And 4 months after his death, Wood is frustrated. She doesn't know if the DA will prosecute this case as the office deals with a backlog of dismissed criminal cases. ABC 7's Dylan McKim spoke with the DA's office. He reports from the scene of the crash.
This is the intersection where that deadly crash happened. 4 months later, the crash is cleared, but the pain remains for Brianna Wood and her family. Wood says her and her family deserve justice, but she continues to wait to see if the district attorney's office will even prosecute the case. Juan Cifuentes was known for this infectious laugh. He was loved by his family.
I personally believe that he was one of the best men that I've ever known.
His daughter, Brianna Wood, says he loved to help others.
I'm sorry.
But it's hard for her to talk about her father. Cifuentes died in a motorcycle crash on May 14th. A police report says Cifuentes was driving his motorcycle down Alameda when another car, driven by Amber Valdez, tried to turn left at this intersection. That's when the two collided and Cifuentes sustained a fatal brain injury. Police say Valdez failed to yield the right of way and was also driving on the wrong side of the road. That's because the street she was trying to turn onto is a one-way street. Wood says she doesn't believe the crash was on purpose, but she still wants some accountability. Valdez was never arrested.
She was breaking traffic laws, and because of that, she should have a consequence.
A search on the municipal court docket shows Valdez's failure to yield charge was dismissed, and her wrong-way charge was void. Even more concerning to Wood, Valdez also got another ticket for speeding a month after the crash. It too was dismissed. The case now sits in the district attorney's office. For the past few months, Wood has tried calling multiple times to see if the office was going to prosecute, but she was only told it was in the screening process.
It's extremely frustrating because I don't want my dad to be forgotten. I don't want this case to be forgotten.
The DA's office is in the midst of reviewing and refiling 900 criminal cases that were dismissed because of inaction. I spoke to the chief of the intake department a few weeks ago about the impact it could have on other criminal cases.
Yes, the juggling of the incoming cases as well as the ones that were part of this dismissal process, it's a handful. But that's why I'm telling you, everybody in the office is really coming forward.
We asked the DA spokesman about this case and were told the office could not comment on pending cases. After we called the DA's office, Wood tells me she received a call from someone in that office who told her they will be looking into her father's case. She says they also told her they will be going to the grand jury for an indictment on a similar case, but they could not guarantee the same thing for her father's case. Reporting in South Central El Paso, Dylan McKim, ABC 7.